By 2030, hypercars will evolve with solid-state batteries, full autonomy for safety, and even more aerodynamic innovations. These cars will remain symbols of ultimate performance, combining sustainability with breathtaking speed. The hypercars of today are shaping the roads and racetracks of tomorrow. Electric SUVs are no longer just about eco-friendliness. They now represent luxury, power, and cutting-edge technology. In 2025, automakers have introduced stunning electric SUVs that combine futuristic design with incredible performance. In this video, we'll explore the top electric SUVs of 2025 that are transforming the future of driving. Performance: 0-60 miles per hour in under 2.6 seconds, the fastest SUV in the world. Range: over 340 miles on a single charge. Interior: futuristic cockpit with yoke steering and panoramic windshield. Technology: advanced AI-powered autopilot and full self-driving features. The Model X Plaid proves that an electric SUV can be both a family car and a supercar.